To be honest, my iPhone charges way faster than yours. That's because I unlocked a hidden boost charging mode on my iPhone. The moment I plug it in, my phone automatically triggers this mode, instantly cutting off Wi-Fi, cell data, disabling Bluetooth, slamming the brightness down, and forcing low power mode. Because it's not wasting a single drop of energy, the charging speed maxes out. And the craziest part, you don't need any third-party apps. This automation feature is already built right into your iPhone, and setting it up is incredibly easy. So let's build this boost charging mode on your iPhone right now. First, open the Shortcuts app. Then tap the plus icon at the top to create a new shortcut. Now tap on Control and select Set Low Power Mode. Make sure it is turned on. Next, tap on Search Actions. Go to Control again. Now scroll down to the Connectivity section and select Set Wi-Fi. Turn it off. In the same way, tap on Search Actions, again Control, scroll down to Connectivity, select Set Bluetooth, and turn it off as well. Now we need to add two more options, Cellular Data and Brightness. For Cellular Data, follow the same steps. Tap on Search Actions, Control, go to the Connectivity section, select Set Cellular Data, and turn it off. Now for Brightness, tap on Search Actions again, Control, scroll down to the Display section, select Set Brightness. Reduce the brightness to around 0 to 5%. Finally, give your shortcut a name. Tap at the top, select Rename, and enter a name for your shortcut. I'll name it Boost Charging. And that's it, our shortcut is ready. Now go back. Next, we need to create a duplicate of this shortcut. To do that, long press the shortcut you just created. You'll see a duplicate option, tap on it. Now the duplicate shortcut has been created successfully. Long press the duplicated shortcut and tap on the first option, Edit. Here we need to reverse all the settings. Turn low power mode off. Turn Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data on. Set the brightness to around 50-60%. Finally, rename this duplicate shortcut. I'll name it Normal. After doing that, go back. Now test both shortcuts by tapping on them once to make sure they are working properly. As you can see, both shortcuts are working perfectly. Now we have one final step we need to automate these shortcuts. For that, tap on the Automation tab at the bottom. Then tap on New Automation. Scroll down and select Charger. First, choose Is Connected. Then select Run Immediately. Now we'll link this automation to the Boost Charging shortcut. Tap Next at the top and select the shortcut named Boost Charging. After that, tap the plus icon again to create another automation. Scroll down and select Charger once again. This time, choose Is Disconnected. Then select Run Immediately. Now we link this automation to the second shortcut. Tap Next and select the shortcut named Normal. And that's it. Your boost charging mode is now fully ready. Now let me show you a live test. As soon as I connect my iPhone to charging, you can see that low power mode turns on, Wi-Fi turns off, Bluetooth turns off, cellular data turns off, brightness drops to 5%. And now, the moment I disconnect the charging cable, my iPhone automatically returns to normal settings. See, everything is restored back to normal perfectly. And there you go. Your iPhone will now charge like a beast every single time you plug it in. Drop a comment below with your current battery percentage and try this out to see how fast it jumps. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more hidden iPhone tricks like this. See ya!